When a retired U.S. Army colonel chose to raise the American flag in his Virginia yard, he likely didn't expect his biggest fight would be with his homeowners association. Meet U.S. Army Colonel Van T. Barfoot, a living legend who served in World War II, Korea, and Vietnam. He had spent decades in uniform and earned honors few can claim: the Medal of Honor, Silver Star, Bronze Star, 3 Purple Hearts, and more. After retiring, he moved to Richmond, Virginia, hoping for some peace. He set up a flagpole in his front yard and raised the American flag each morning, just like he did in the Army. But the Sussex Square HOA, aka the Karens of suburbia, had other plans. They sent him a legal threat demanding he take it down. Why? It didn't fit the community aesthetics. That's right, a group of Karens tried to cancel a national hero over a flagpole. But Colonel Barfoot wasn't backing down. His story caught national attention after his family shared it with local media. Outrage spread fast. Veterans groups, media outlets, and even the White House voiced support. Within days, the HOA backed off. Virginia later changed the law to protect homeowners' rights to fly the flag, thanks to him. Colonel Barfoot flew that flag every day until his passing at age 92. He won one final battle, not with weapons, but with conviction. Because freedom isn't a decoration, it's a duty. Like, share, and subscribe if you still believe in the flag, the people who defend it, and the country it stands for.